Hey there! Have you ever dreamed of becoming an animation creator? Do you want to learn how to bring characters to life and create stunning animations easily? If you're a beginner in the world of animation, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll review the best animation software you can start with and help you pick the perfect one for your needs. So, get ready for an exciting journey into the world of creativity. Before we dive into the software, let's quickly understand what animation is. In simple terms, animation is the art of turning static images into motion, whether it's characters or special effects. But to get started, you need the right tools. And that's where the animation software comes in. Let's take a look at some of the best options out there for beginners. First up, Toon Boom Harmony. If you're serious about learning animation, Toon Boom Harmony is an excellent choice. It's used by professionals in the animation industry and offers a beginner-friendly interface while also providing advanced features like hand-drawn animation, layering, and other powerful tools. It may take some time to learn, but it's definitely worth the effort. Now, if you're looking for a powerful and free option, Blender is the way to go. Not only is it great for animation, but you can also design characters, create effects, and even build 3D models. Blender offers all the tools you need to create stunning animated films and graphics. Best of all, it's completely open source and free. If you're just starting out and want to avoid the complexity of advanced animation software, Animator is a fantastic choice. This online platform lets you create animations using pre-made templates, which is perfect for creating short videos, explainer animations, or even advertisements. Its interface is super simple, and you can start working on your projects quickly. For those who love the traditional hand-drawn animation style, Pencil 2D is a simple and lightweight program. It allows you to animate with hand-drawn sketches, offering an easy-to-use interface that's perfect for beginners. If you're into traditional animation and want to experiment with it, this program is your best bet. If you prefer working on digital drawings to create animations, Krita is the software for you. While it's primarily a digital painting tool, it also offers strong animation features, allowing you to add movement to your drawings. Krita lets you work with layers and effects, making it a great choice for beginners who want to get into animation. Here are some important tips for beginners. Start with the basics. No matter which program you choose, make sure to learn the basics first. Understanding key animation principles like natural motion and timing will be essential for your success. Don't rush. Animation takes time and patience. Don't expect your first animations to be perfect. Enjoy the process and learn from your mistakes. Watch others' work. Animated short films and other works can be an amazing source of inspiration. Study how movements are made and those small details that make animations feel alive. In the end, there is no one-size-fits-all best software. Each program has its own strengths that suit different beginners' needs. The most important thing is to start, experiment, and keep learning. If you're serious about animation, the more you practice, the better you'll get. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on animation and creativity. See you in the next video.